Hello, and welcome back. Today we have Commodore 64, and it has a couple of little clippy things inside, and things that come out here. I think this might have been the machines that I used to use on, I had a Lieutenant Kernal hard drive, and I think these things have something to do with it. I know the BusCard also had a wire, but it only had one. So I think that's what this is, but I'm not sure. And as I look on the bottom, it says, works, August 2014. Well, I've certainly not done anything to it since then. All the chips are socketed, sorry, not socketed, except for the SID chip, and the SID chip is missing. So the first thing, of course, turn it on. And it is alive. That is a good sign. So we'll take a SID chip, put it inside. Maybe we'll hear a little squeal. Maybe not. But it's still up and running. So this is the same board as what I'm testing with. Uh, 250425. So we'll put in the dead test, and I'm just looking around, looking for anything else that might jump out at me. Oh, and there's the dead test. Always the possibility of dust.
That was easy.
Well, this could be not much of anything to do. Could be. The RAM test is doing okay, and soon, but not yet, the SID chip will make an appearance. Perhaps. Soon. Huh. I'm not sure. Maybe I heard a little weirdness there. So we'll switch over to the big monitor and see it again. Somewhere I do have my Lieutenant Kernal hard drive made by Xetec. I used to go around and show it off at user groups. It was really, it's a nice setup. It did well. I mean, for people who ran bulletin boards or had vast needs of data, that was great. Really great. Really fine. I think that's what these were. One says high RAM, the other says CAC. But I think I'll just leave them in here. I think. Anyway, I'm suspecting that in a moment, I constructed it. December 2019. So it's been 5 years since I looked at this. Works. Good. Okay. Added. Well, this was
That was easy.
a quick operation. So we'll get this out. I'll turn it over. We'll add two the tape runs out. Add to the documentation. Flip it back over and say, thanks for being here. Now remember, I'm sure I mentioned this before, but everybody, maybe you know, maybe you don't. Anyway, a Commodore 64 should fire up without a SID chip. This one did. They all do. Even if the SID chip is somewhat defective, the machine will probably work. I guess there are some ways, I don't know what they are, if the chip was really, really bad or really, really shorted or something that might. But the only one in the socket is a SID chip. It was missing. The machine came up, put a SID chip in. The SID chip works. It's all good. So, there's nothing left to be done with this machine. So until we meet again, thanks for coming. Bye for now.